Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best packing cubes on the market, the Shacke Premium 5 Packing Cubes set. If you're someone who loves to travel light and stay organized, this set might just become your new travel essential. Right out of the gate, Shacke's packing cubes stand out because of their original reinforced stitching. This isn't just any stitching. It's a design that has been proven since 2014 to hold up under the pressure of overpacking. The cubes are built to stay sturdy and maintain their shape, even when you pack more than you planned. The breathable mesh fabric layered on the cubes allows air to circulate, helping your clothes stay fresh and reducing wrinkles. What makes this set a quintessential starter kit for travelers is the thoughtful range of bag sizes included. These were carefully tested and selected to cover packing needs for up to a 14-day vacation. Whether you are packing for a short weekend or a 2-week trip, this set gives you enough variety to organize all your clothing and accessories efficiently. Plus, it includes a laundry bag, which is a lifesaver for keeping dirty clothes separate from clean ones. This feature is especially handy if your travels take you through multiple destinations. These packing cubes are designed to fit snugly in your suitcase, optimizing space so you can pack smarter and travel lighter. The lightweight nylon material is water-resistant, meaning small spills or wet items won't soak through and ruin your luggage contents. On top of that, the cubes are easy to clean. Liquids simply glide off the surface without leaving stains or damage. The zippers are smooth and ergonomic, allowing for quick and hassle-free access to your belongings. Versatility is another strong suit for these cubes. Whether you're traveling by car, train, or plane, they're built to make your journey smoother. They're perfect not only for big trips like romantic getaways but also for quick day trips or business travel. The Shacke Premium Packing Cubes help maintain order no matter the size or type of trip. Behind the product is a small business with over 8 years of experience in making travel products that maximize adventure. Shacke focuses on quality and functionality, aiming to make your travel experience less stressful and more enjoyable. Thousands of travelers around the world trust their packing cubes to help them stay organized, and this set continues that tradition with reliable construction and smart design. In terms of dimensions, the cubes measure about 10.5 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 2.5 inches high for the standard sizes, which allows for a balanced amount of storage without being bulky. The aqua teal color option adds a stylish touch to your travel gear, helping you spot your bags easily. If you want packing cubes that are durable, lightweight, easy to clean, and designed with the traveler in mind, the Shacke Premium 5 Packing Cubes set delivers on all fronts. It's a practical and smart choice to simplify your packing and make your travel more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Safe travels and happy packing.